Welcome to quarter 4. This section talks about wages. So Larry works 36 hours a week. If he earns $18.40 per hour, what is his weekly gross wages? Okay, so gross wages means pre-tax. Okay, so we're going to figure out how much he's earning, and then remember, when you work, you got to pay taxes. So 36 hours, and it's $18.40 per hour. So that means we just times those. So it ends up being $662.40 as his gross wages, but remember that's not what he's going to take home because he's going to pay taxes. Okay, determine the total wages for each person in the following problems. The rate of pay and the amount of time worked are given. Ricardo is paid a monthly amount of $1,800. Determine his annual gross wages. So annual means yearly. And again, gross wages means pre-tax. So if he gets paid monthly of $1,800, how many months are in a year? 12. So we're going to take that monthly amount and times it by 12 to get the total amount for the year. So 1,800 times 12 is 21,600. And actually when you type it in, you would just type it without the comma. And then you can do the 0, 0 or not, and you'll still get it right. Nicole and her employer have agreed on a 35-hour work week. Any time over 35 hours will be paid overtime, which is time and a half. Her regular rate of pay is $28 per hour. Find the amount of pay for the week if Nicole works 40 hours. So they agreed on 35 hours. She's going to get paid $28 per hour. And then she worked 40. So there's another extra 5 hours where she's going to get paid overtime, which is time and a half. Okay, so to figure out that amount, the time and a half, we take what she makes and we times it by her time, which is 1, and a half. So that is $42 an hour of overtime. So now we just have to add it up. There's 35 times 28, and then the overtime will be 5 hours times the 42. Okay, so I'm going to type it in just like that. 35 times 28 plus the 5 hours at $42 an hour. So she's going to get paid $1,190. Pretty good. Okay, determine the total wages for each person in the following problems. Lisa's employer has agreed to pay her weekly for 52 weeks. What are her annual gross wages if her pay each week is $345? So $345 per week for 52 weeks. That's going to be her annual. That's her year amount. Okay, so $345 times 52, $17,940. And that's it for this section. Good luck.